The clutch washer is a spacer between the clutch and the clutch drum. It creates a gap so the clutch pads can operate smoothly. Over time, the washer can be damaged if the clutch drum bearing seizes. Replacing the clutch washer is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the bar and chain. Now I'll remove the clutch. To remove the clutch, you'll need a clutch removal tool. The tool has 2 pins that align with the notches on the clutch body. Then I'll use an impact driver to remove the clutch. And this is a reverse thread. With the clutch removed, I can remove the washer. Now I can install the new washer. Now I'll reinstall the clutch. I'll tighten the clutch, again using the clutch wrench. And remember, it is a reverse thread. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the bar and chain. Place the bar over the mounting studs, wrap the chain around the sprocket, and into the groove on the bar. And then I'll replace the clutch cover. I'll tighten the nuts, just finger tight. Retension the chain. And then tighten up the nuts. And now you know how to replace the clutch washer on your chainsaw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.